Okay, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. We are back on more parts for this absolutely gorgeous wagon.
The Wagyu! It's a Wagyu!
This is what's going to shock everybody. I mean, like, legitimately, this is going to shock everybody.
It's called the Shocker.
This is the original Ford FoMoCo mirror.
Ooh, look at
Y'all
the
ready?
patina.
Watch this.
Yeah.
The glass is flawless.
Well, I can see your... Ooh! Until I touched it. Look, I can see...
absolutely...
I can see Scotty's reflection in it. It's going to break.
It's going to... Right? Absolutely flawless. But we have a ton of rust.
Patina.
So I'm going to try and clean this up the best I can. I don't want to hit this piece too much because he's got it set to where he wants it. I know he can redo it, but that's not the point. And we can still read day and night.
Beautiful.
So we're going to try and clean this up the best we can. And we got to clean this up like we did.
Ooh. I'm falling out. Damn it.
I hate it when cardboard boxes jump out in front of me like that. Oh, I'm sorry. Is that better? Is my light better, Mr. DeMille?
A little bit. Let me turn around.
Is that better?
Now
Am I sexier this way? Madonna, Madonna.
Burnsy's just in the background, like,
so
waiting to shoot.
We got this one cleaner. We can't take it away because it's already there. So we're just trying to get some of the issues out of it so that it looks more presentable than what it is. I was able to get, we're going to show you in a second because I want a little bit of a build here.
Are you edging for the...
Oh, I'm definitely edging for the colors. Yes, I am. I'm definitely edging for the colors.
Why's it got to be about the colors?
So this will get cleaned up. I'll polish it the best I can to make it look as good as I can possibly get it. And a lot of the plastics...
Nice box, Burnsy. Nice box.
A lot of the plastics, I really wasn't sure what we could do with. Like, legitimately, I wasn't sure what I could do with. So, the plastics are salvageable. And 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Yeah. Oh, so much better. Right? Exactly. I mean, they just look so much better. And you can see, I mean, we've got some issues. You know, we'll get it cleaned up and scrubbed. And we're just trying to make it look nicer. That's all we're doing. We're not going for...
issues. We're going to clean it up and give it some scrub.
That's going to take Bondo, spackle, and a whole lot of paint.
Just make sure you do your makeup good tonight. You don't want to ruin it. Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure.
For those of you, just plug your ears for a minute. Yeah, exactly. So we'll get this cleaned up, make it look a little bit nicer. You know, I'm sure we can. Ooh.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Oh. Oh.
And that's just a little bit of quadruple.
That's just a little steel wool. That's a little raw dog steel wool.
Yeah. We didn't even put lube or nothing on it. But that's
nasty.
Ooh, that's actually really bright.
Hey,
so there's we just gently touched it. It's all we're doing is just trying to make it look nicer. We're not going to try and I don't want to take away what's there. I just want it to look better when it's back into place. And since I normally do the intricate stuff, we had some issues with getting a lot of the A-pillar and the A-pillar pieces going across the windshield for the mirror off. So I told the guys, nope, don't touch it, I'll get it. So in a little bit, we'll try and do another video with the update on those. I've got the passenger side out painted, they're drying. Now we're gonna pull the driver's side out. Once this is done, I'll put this back into place real quick. And then we'll paint the driver's side, get that dried and let that go. And we'll put the passenger side in. But before I do, you guys will be able to see the progress as to how everything's turning out. So
this is splendid.
I mean, it's just, we're just trying to make it look nicer. That's all we're trying to do. Nothing more, nothing less.
We are not going for perfect. We are going for drivable, nice.
Yep, drivable, nice. That's all the customer wanted. If they wanted restoration, we can do it. That's not an issue, but it's a lot more in-depth and a lot more time-consuming. So we're just trying to keep this customer. I know it looks so much nicer. It really, really does.
I'm sorry.
I mean, trying to find these plastics are almost impossible.
Yeah, so we had nice plastics. They just weren't pretty.
Yeah.
But
so on that note, ladies and gentlemen, much love.